Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Students, we are continuing with starting with 9th chapter of IED of class 12th, and the name of the chapter is infrastructure. So, infrastructure plays an important role in the economic growth of a country. Agriculture, industries, and now increasingly the service sector depends heavily on the infrastructure facilities for their growth. Infrastructure development is also crucial for the social development of a country. Since economic reforms of 1991 in India, infrastructure development has been accorded high priority by the government. Now, what is the meaning of infrastructure? Infrastructure refers to all such activities, services, and facilities which are needed to provide different kinds of services in an economy. Infrastructure provides supporting services. This include road, railways, port, dams, power station, education system, health, sanitary, monetary, banks, insurance, and other financial institutions. Economic and social infrastructure. Economic infrastructure includes energy, transportation, and communication, whereas social includes education, health, and housing. Once again, I repeat, economic constitute energy, transportation, and communication, whereas social includes education, health, and housing. Now, the last topic is importance. Why infrastructure is important for any country or for any economy? Facilitates functioning of the economy. The functioning of an economy depends on the existence of infrastructure facilities. Agriculture, industries, and service sector largely depends on heavy infrastructure facility for their growth. Agriculture development, economic development. Development of infrastructure and economic development go hand in hand. Agriculture depends on the adequate expansion and development of irrigation facilities. Industrial progress depends on the development of power and electricity generation, transport, and communication. Infrastructure contributes to economic development of a country both by increasing the productivity of the factors of the country and improving the quality of life of its people. Better quality of life. Well developed infrastructure leads to better quality of life. In infrastructure means improvement in water supply and sanitation have a large impact by reducing morbidity. Morbidity meaning proneness to fall ill from major waterborne diseases and reduces the severity of diseases. Provides employment. So students, infrastructure helps in generating employment. Many people gets employment in infrastructure projects like construction and maintenance of roads, railways, electricity plant. Many more people are able to find employment in industries and trade after the development of strong infrastructure. And the last is facilitates outsourcing or business processing. So students, a country with advanced infrastructure facilities is able to reap benefit from the outsourcing work. Once again, I repeat, a country with advanced infrastructure facilities is able to reap the benefits from the outsourcing work. India is emerging as a global destination for BPOs, KPOs, call center, etc. BPO stands for Business Process Outsourcing, whereas KPO stands for Knowledge Process Outsourcing. This we have discussed in class 11th if you have remembered. Due to IT support system and good infrastructure. So this is only possible when there is good IT support system and sound software infrastructure available in the country. So that's all for today's classes. Thank you and have a nice day.